Yeah. Yes, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenny Rhymes, the co-founder of Frando Technology Company. Yes, I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Here, we also talk about how to make money online, how to do your dollar arbitrage, and a lot. Forgive me, I have a small headache. That's why I'm talking like this. Yeah. So I did a video, I think last 2 days, and I was about to sell my USDT on Binance, and I told you that the market rate is not good, so I will not sell it. Yeah. So today the market rate is very good, and I'm about to exchange, or I'm about to sell 200 USDT. Yeah. So today is the best day for you to sell your USDT if you bought your USDT last week. Yeah. So the money was in my Exness account. Yeah. So I transferred the money from Exness account to my Binance account. And the reason why I did that is that Exness account, when I went there and checked the rate over there, the rate over here, one 12.549. That is not cool for me. So I came to P2P and also check and see whether the the rate was very good. And when I checked, I saw that the rate was very good because like 12.60, that one is very cool. Yeah. So this how we be doing our trade. You see all these people who are selling these things has a small this thing. I want someone who have 2,000 plus. Hey, a minimum 2,000. Let me check. This one is from 500 to 615. So unless we do double trade, but let me go down. Let me go to next page and see. Because I want to sell 200 USDT. This one is 1265, 1266. But it's more. This one's 1266, 3,000 is inside. So let's jump straight with this one. This one is verified. So me, I'll go with the person who's verified. Yeah. Now this one is buy. I say sell. I want to sell. Yeah, I want to sell. I want to sell my USDT. I don't want to buy anything. Yeah. So say one say soft says to, let's go and see whether we will get people with high rates. If not, then we will choose the 12.6 one like that. Nah, so let me choose the 12.6 like that. At times it's very cool for you to like search more instead of thing. Yeah, before jumping straight to do anything. Yeah. So this person, the BTC coin, is selling it at 12.62. I think it's cool. But he's like she's selling from 25,000 going. Yo, bro? Yeah, bro. Nah. So this person also is selling from 500 to 30,000. 30,000. So let me see. Let me jump straight with this guy. Yeah. So before you sell your money on P2P, you see that the balance is here 0.00. But meanwhile, I have 200 USDT in my account. So this is how you do it. Like if you send money from Exness to Binance or any crypto wallet, it will be in your sports wallet. So you have to transfer it to your founding wallet. So I'll add it to my founding wallet. So I'll transfer it. Yeah, so I'll transfer the 200 USDT or the 200. Sorry. You said that thing. So right now, you said I have 200 USDT over here. So I want to sell 200 and I'll be getting 2,524. You said that thing. Yeah. So I'll go to sell USDT. So I've placed an order waiting for the buyer to confirm. And as I've already told you, you have to confirm that the money is in your account before you do anything. This person is not online. This person is not online. If it's online, you see the tick over here. Okay, last seen 7 minutes ago. So maybe like you'll be online. Oh Charlie. I thought it's online so that maybe we're doing something. This person's not online. Nah, this person's online. I don't know whether we should wait for him or because the last thing is 7 minutes ago. So it means that maybe he will come. I don't know whether we should cancel it. This person is not online. Like at least you have to do it with someone online because of the tutorial sake. I want you to see everything. This okay, the BT second that's 25,000 gold. They are online. I don't know the reason why. Yeah, it's online. I don't know the reason why. Let me check. At times you place an order and it will delay and it will cancel, blah blah. So that thing. Excuse me. Like I don't know whether we wait or we should cancel it. Hmm? Should we cancel or should we wait? Times this how it is. So and this one like okay, so you can read everything about this person. It like still still not online. I don't know the reason why. He's still not online. He's still not online. Yo, I wanted to show you everything, but it seems he's not online. And I can't even find the cancel button to cancel the trade. I don't know whether I should jump in with another this thing or we should wait. This one we have to wait. Yeah. So this how you have to set your USDT on Binance. Yeah, at times you jump straight to a trade with someone, you place everything and you see that the person is offline. You have to wait till the buyer time was reached. Yeah. So this how we do it. So this how you sell your USDT. So if you follow the steps I followed, you know how you sell it. So thank you for watching me and I'm out.